Here, this is our entry into the robotic space. This is our relationship with SoftBank Robotics. It's the autonomous sweeper called the WHIZ. And as you see here, what it's doing right now is it's just running a quick route. It operates what's called a teach and repeat model. So literally what you do is you train it once for a specific area, and then after that, every single time it'll give you that consistent clean in the process that it does. Another thing too is while it's doing this, in a very busy environment, another thing people worry about will it run into people. It's got the most advanced obstacle detection and avoidance capabilities on it too. So we'll always check the area no matter what, and it's not going to run over any object or anybody during that process. So you can literally turn these things loose and actually cover large square footage as you do that. Give you an idea, one unit on one battery that you see over there, each of those lasts 3 hours and can do up to 15,000 square feet in that 3 hours. So what the real idea behind this is that in an environment like this in a hotel or a hospitality area, especially now during COVID and pathogen mitigation as you look at, what this allows them to do is let this do kind of that mundane kind of work so that they can now focus on making sure wiping down door handles, tables, anything, mirrors, glass, things like that, to make sure that the environment is totally clean and safe for people to do. Now, once it's done, it'll go back to its own location code from there, and then now you get the full analytics. This is really where the rubber meets the road with it. Because traditionally in the past, if I had, let's say Daryl was on my team and Daryl's responsible for this room, I would just say, hey Daryl, hey, did you do banquet room A? Oh yeah, it's good. It's all done. I kind of have to take his word for it, right? Okay.
No longer.
No longer they have to do that.
Let's check the analytics from the vacuum.
Yeah, because now I can come over here, and this is actually live data from Melville, by the way. This is Canon headquarters. So you can see every day they run it in Melville, and I'll just show you what they did just last night. So I can come over here and I can actually inspect and see what they did on the 24th, which this was last night. So let me slide over here and slide down, and it actually show me the route that it did, the square footage, the time, how long it took, and then I can zoom in on it and actually see exactly where it did this.